Kinikwestiyon ni Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago ang mungkahi na italagang Special Independent Investigator si Senator Ping Lacson kaugnay sa pork barrel scam.
Halimbawa, itong Lacson na ito.
Opo.
Maliwanag na kampi niya si Enrile. Kasi noong nag-away kami ni Enrile tungkol doon sa mga Christmas bonuses na yon, na ayaw ipalitaw ni Enrile. Hinamon ko si Enrile, magdebate kami, ang sumagot si Lacson.
Bakit po sa tingin ninyo unfit itong si Senator Ping Lacson para maging Special Independent Investigator kaugnay sa pork barrel scam, ma'am?
Pinky Lacson.
Kailanman kami sa Senado, hindi nag-appoint ng investigator and there is no provision in our Senate rules for that. This is an innovation being proposed without any legal basis. Alam mo, ang suspetso ko dito ay itong mga nasangkot na senador sa PDAP na mga NGOs na peke daw, itong iba dito, mga potential presidentiables or vice presidentiables sa 2016. Ayaw man natin o gusto natin sila, hindi pa natin alam kung may kasalanan sila o hindi. Natural, gusto nating lumitaw ang katotohanan. The fact is, they are eyeing the presidency. Maaga pa gusto sirain na ang magiging katunggali nila sa 2016. Kaya kung lagyan mo ng investigador na laban na antimano, kaya magiging character assassin itong Lacson na ito. Kasi ang politika, Cara, is very, very complex. It's very truncated. Dapat yan, lawyer, kasi hindi siya abogado, tsaka tingnan mong lingwahe niya. Judge it for yourself since you're a UP graduate. Tama ba yan? Na ang top figure magsasalita tungkol sa katunggali niya.
Rehabilitation Star Pampilo Lacson ang paratang ni Senador Miriam Santiago na nagpapakalat siya ng maling informasyon para pagtakpan si Senador Juan Ponce Enrile sa pork barrel fund scam.
Thinks Senator Juan Ponce Enrile has a hand in the latest expose of former Senator Panfilo Lacson. Santiago questions Lacson's statement that the family of Janet Napoles gave him a draft affidavit reportedly naming 12 senators and more than 100 congressmen in the corruption scandal. Santiago says Lacson showed no proof the affidavit was authentic. Napoles' lawyer Bruce Rivera confirms the Napoles approached Lacson before meeting with Justice Secretary Laila de Lima Monday. Santiago says she believes Lacson is only speaking to prevent Napoles from naming Enrile as the scam leader. Santiago has repeatedly tagged Enrile as the real mastermind, the brains behind the scheme. She says, quote, "There's no secret that I think the most guilty here is former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, no matter what the